Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. Let's start with finding and opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to find the notifications. I know that naturally you'll start with the battery, but unfortunately this option is not there. It is in the notifications, so let's tap on it and then tap on advanced settings. And as you can see right here, we've got the show battery percentage option. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on this switcher. Unfortunately, in this device, we cannot actually choose where we want to show the battery percentage, so outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. We've got only the option next to the battery icon, so as you can see, it is next to the indicator, but there is also advantage of the situation because it is much more visible than it will be inside the battery icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.